Hello everyone, welcome to the sixth module of the option payoff series. Today we are going to do bear put spreads and how the graph of the bear put spreads are determined. Okay, so again the basic rules, the basic graphs, Nifty, profit, signs, zero, the strike prices, right? So now, what is a bear put spread? A bear put spread means whenever you buy an at the money put or whenever you buy any put and again you sell an out the money put or you sell a lower strike price put. So what I mean over here is, if I take an example that I'm buying an at the money put, that is I'm buying an ATM put, so I will sell an OTM put. Okay, so we'll take an example that we are buying 11,450 strike price put at a premium of 65 rupees. Okay, and 11,400 की put, that is 11,400 strike price put, we are selling at a premium of 43 rupees. Okay, so यहाँ पर अपन क्या कर रहे हैं, ऊपर की पुट को बाय कर रहे हैं, नीचे की पुट को सेल कर रहे हैं. Okay, so once again we'll focus on our golden rule. Yes, and then the first option, that is we are buying 11,450 put at a premium of 65 rupees. We are buying is debit is negative, line के नीचे आएगा, zero के नीचे आएगा, right? Zero के नीचे आया, what will this line be? This line will be minus 65, right? And what will be the payoff graph? The payoff graph of this would be that if Nifty falls, जितना Nifty या stock गिरेगा उतना पैसा अपन को मिलेगा, right? So you know the basic rule of a put option, that when Nifty falls or when a stock falls, the put option rises. That is, अगर Nifty left side जाएगा तो put will go up, right? Hence this graph. Okay, and what would this point be? This point would be the strike price as we discussed earlier, right? ये होगा 11,450 and this line would be minus 65. Minus 65 क्योंकि डेबिट है and डेबिट is 65 rupees we are paying. ठीक है. So now the second is 11,000 PE sell at 43 rupees. सेल कर रहे हैं, सेल मीन्स क्रेडिट मीन्स पॉजिटिव, जीरो के ऊपर आएगा लाइन, राइट? एंड व्हाट वुड दिस लाइन बी? 43 रुपीज. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, 43 रुपीज हो गया. एंड नाउ जितना निफ्टी नीचे गिरेगा उतना अपन को लॉस होगा बिकॉज वी आर सेलिंग द ऑप्शन, राइट? दैट इज निफ्टी इफ इट फॉल्स, निफ्टी नीचे गिरा, दैट इज निफ्टी अगर लेफ्ट साइड गया, देन this point, this option would fall for us. Why? Because we are selling. अपन sell कर रहे हैं, so we would have loss over here, right? So again, this point, what is this point? This is the strike price. What is the strike price? 11,400, right? And now what we'll do is we will see the intersections, right? जहां पर ये दोनों लाइन पकड़ रही है एक दूसरे को, वहां पर we'll create a line, right? So where are they intersecting? Over here. So we are creating a line like this, right? अपन एक लाइन यहां पर क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. Now again, here the unlimited profits and here the unlimited prof, ये दोनों net to net हो गए. So we are creating a straight line over here, right? And यहां पर we'll delete those lines, right? And अपन क्या करेंगे, ये जो लाइन है इसको 11,400 तक खींच देंगे, right? So we are doing this, and then what we'll do, we will join these two lines, right? Okay, so we have joined these two lines. Okay, so we have joined these two lines. So this is a basic payoff graph of a bear put spread. Okay, and now again we'll determine a max loss, max profit, break evens, right? So again over here we are paying minus 65 and we are getting 43 rupees, right? So what is the debit paid? The debit paid in the total strategy, that is 65 rupees दिए और 43 rupees मिले, so we are paying 22 rupees. So the max loss, that is the maximum loss in this strategy would be the debit paid. What is the debit paid? 22 rupees. So 22 rupees से ऊपर अपन को ये strategy में loss नहीं होने वाला है. Okay, so got the point. यहां से this line would now be 22 rupees and not 65 rupees. because we are getting 43 rupees credit over here. Okay, so we'll delete these, and what we'll do, we'll create this 22 rupees. Okay, so we got our maximum loss in this strategy. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create the maximum profit in this strategy. How will we create? Simple as that. Maximum profit is equal to the strike difference minus the debit paid, right? Strike difference means what is the difference between those two strikes and the debit paid. Okay, so the strike difference over here is 11,450 minus 11,400 is 50 rupees, and then we have to minus the debit, which is 22 rupees. So the maximum profit in this strategy is 28 rupees. समझ गए? 50 रुपीज का स्ट्राइक डिफरेंस है एंड 22 रुपीज की डेबिट है, सो वी आर गेटिंग 28 रुपीज. ओके, सो दिस इज द मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट. वी हैव डिटरमाइंड द मैक्सिमम लॉस, मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट भी हो गया. एंड नाउ व्हाट वील डू इज वील क्रिएट द ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट. ओके, सो द ब्रेक इवन इन दिस स्ट्रैटेजी वुड बी द हायर स्ट्राइक माइनस द डेबिट पेड. ओके, हायर स्ट्राइक कौन सी हुई यहां पर? हायर स्ट्राइक 11,400 हुई कि 11,450? ऑब्वियसली 11,450, राइट? 11,450 माइनस डेबिट माइनस 22 रुपीज नेट डेबिट. नेट डेबिट कितना हुआ? 22 रुपीज. तो 11,450 माइनस 22 रुपीज कम्स टू 11,428. सो ये पॉइंट जहां पर ये लाइन काट रही है ये हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन को, दैट इज आर कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट लाइन, ये जीरो लाइन है. तो यहां पर द पॉइंट वुड बी 11,428 रुपीज. ओके, सो वी गॉट अ ब्रेक इवन, वी गॉट अ मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट, वी गॉट अ मैक्सिमम लॉस, राइट? एंड व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ दिस स्ट्रैटेजी? This strategy means that if Nifty falls below 11,400, we would get maximum profit, right? And if Nifty rises above 11,450, then in this strategy we would have 22 rupees loss. That is the debit paid, right? And so this is a risk defined strategy, and also the profit also is limited. So I hope you understood this concept. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next module.